Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Billionaires Cloud FX channel. This channel is all about building a community of future billionaires using Forex trading as a tool. So, if your goal is to become a future billionaire using Forex trading as a tool, please hit that subscribe button, guys. So, let's get straight into this video. This video today is all about trading efficiency, basically, how to become an efficient trader, guys. First of all, I'm gonna start by explaining what efficiency is. We're gonna go into the definition of that. And no, I'm not saying that you're dumb. I'm not saying anybody doesn't know the meaning of efficiency. So please don't give me this look thinking this guy thinks I don't know what efficiency is. If you know what efficiency is, I'm happy. We're all on the same page. But I just want to make sure that we are all on the same page by defining it first. So please, calm down. Calm down, guys. So, efficiency, guys. What is efficiency? Efficiency is the quality of being able to do a task successfully without wasting time or energy. So that's what this video is all about, guys. This video is about finding ways as a forex trader to not waste time or energy doing the wrong things. Instead you should be able to do only the right things in the market to be an efficient trader, guys. So what are we gonna have in this video? The few points. This video basically has 5 points, guys, and actually I should say 5 days, because all I'm gonna do is explain what you have to do on a Sunday, on a Monday, on a Tuesday, on a Wednesday, on a Thursday, and on a Friday, in order to become an efficient trader. So from Sunday to Friday, you should do all these things on every single day, and you will become an efficient trader in no time, guys. So let's go right along into the first point on a Sunday. So what do you have to do on a Sunday to be an efficient trader, guys? First of all, prepare and analyze the market and check potential news. Okay, guys. Basically, preparing and analyzing the market for the past week. You should look at the past week or the past month. Actually, this is all about back testing, guys. I hope you guys know what back testing is. This is all about back testing, looking at last week's support and resistance, looking at different time frames, doing your analysis, drawing your patterns, whether it be your candlestick patterns, whether it be your chart patterns, whether it's using your indicators, your Fibonacci levels, in order to be able to check which trades you're gonna go into, or should I say which pairs you are gonna go into and which pairs you're gonna go into trades with, and also checking potential news at the same time, because you don't want to be going into a trade that you analyzed and then you notice that there's a major news event at that time. If you notice that there will be a major news event at that time, please don't go into a trade, guys. I'm advising you not to. If you're not a fundamental trader, don't go into the trade, guys. So this is why it's important on Sunday to just sit down and relax before the market opens on Monday. Sit down, relax, look at the markets, have lunch or drink coffee while you're looking at the markets. Basically, be relaxed, guys. Look at your strategies, look at the charts, be one with the charts, connect with the charts, and basically write down which pairs you're gonna trade in and which pairs you didn't find setups in. I hope we're on the same page here, guys. Okay, moving on to Mondays. What do you have to do on Mondays, guys? Set alerts and look for trading setups. Okay, basically, guys, what I mean by this is basically alerts for entering trades. If you want to go into the trade at a certain time, obviously you're gonna set an alert that to notify you that, look at your charts, you wanted to get into the markets at this certain point in time. So basically set all those times, set all those alarms, in order to be able to find the perfect entry point into the market, guys. Okay, because it's all about the perfect entry point. We know that as traders, the perfect entry point is important, guys. It's very, very, very important. And also, looking for trading setups is all about patience, guys. Patience, 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 patience. It's all it takes to look for the right trading setups. So if you don't find the right trading setup for you, don't go into the market, guys. Don't rush. I always say don't rush to go into the market. Okay, don't rush to trade a certain pair because it's a Monday. You feel like you're forced to go into the trade because the markets are open. Do not be forced. You are not forced, guys. If you don't find the right setup on Monday, wait. Keep on checking throughout the day. I'm sure you will find a pattern. If you don't find a setup, then it's okay, guys. You will check it out the next day. Okay, moving on to Tuesday. You have to manage your positions and look for trading setups, guys. Okay, managing positions, this is for people who have opened trades on the Monday. If you opened trades on Monday, then you have to manage them on Tuesday. Basically, what managing them means is that you go back to those trades from Monday, then you check them. You check your stop losses, you check your take profits, you move them accordingly. You set up a trail stop if you have to, basically doing calculations to make sure that you're still in the right position in the market, making sure you're still protected in the market. So it's all about doing that, guys. So please always make sure that you manage your positions every single day. It's important to go back to your charts, even if you're in profits, guys, because the market is so volatile that it can drop at any time, and you can go into losses immediately. So please always make sure that your stop losses, your take profits are always set on point. I hope that we are all on the same page now. Because we're moving on to Wednesday, and Wednesday is actually has to be the most important day of the week, because Wednesdays is all about the mid-week evaluation of wins and losses. Obviously, you've taken trades on Tuesday and on Monday and Tuesday. So if you've taken trades on those days, it means that now you have, in your trading history, you have either wins or losses, guys. It's either you've been it's either you've been making profits or you've been making losses. It's either one of the two, guys. And the reason why I say Wednesday is one of the most important days is because this day will decide how you trade for the rest of the week. Because it's either you won't be able to hit your targets for the rest of the week because you have so much losses, or you have so much wins that you can actually stop trading for the week, because you've reached your target for the week. you know and there's a difference whether you're a winner or loser, guys. This will decide how you trade going forward, or this will basically decide your trading psychology. And if you haven't watched my video on trading psychology, please go and watch that. I'll link it here and I'll put a tab on top. Please go watch a video on that. So this is where your trading psychology comes in, guys. So first of all, the winners, this is going to be you guys. You are happy, so you become disciplined. You follow your trading strategies well because they are working well throughout the week, and you're not stressed. You are okay, you're happy because your week is going well. And then they are losers, guys. They are the losers. Losing can affect your trading psychology, guys. And most of the time what happens when people lose is that they are actually gonna start revenge trading. So what is revenge trading, guys? Revenge trading is when a trader attempts to win back losses by entering a larger and often riskier trade. Okay, this type of trading is driven by fear, anger, and frustration, and it can have devastating consequences, guys. So if you didn't know that revenge trading exists, now you know, guys. And a lot of traders do this, they become angry because they've been losing, you know, and then they go into trades using larger lot sizes, and then they blow their account. Revenge trading is never a good thing. Trust me on this, guys. It's never a good thing. And I'm gonna go into a deeper discussion on revenge trading in another video, okay? So don't worry about that. Just don't do it. Just don't do it, guys. Don't do it. If it seems like you're gonna go into revenge trading, just stop trading for the week. Just stop. Stop, take a break, and refresh your mind. Okay? I hope you understood me, guys. Please, this is very dangerous, and I care about your trades, so please don't do it, guys. So on Thursdays, right, you have to continue managing positions and journal trades. Okay, so basically, you have trades from Monday to Wednesday, and you're still managing those trades. You still have to go back and check them, check your stop losses, check your take profits, check your trial stops, check your positions in the market, and decide whether to exit or keep on your trades going. And another thing is actually journaling trades, guys. Journaling trades is very, very, very important. You have to have a trading journal, guys. Basically, it's a recording of all your trades that you've been taking during the week. From Monday to Wednesday, you have to journal your trades. It's important, guys. I'm also going to do a video series on journal how to journal your trades, the perfect way to journal your trades, because it's important, guys. Trust me when I say it will help you become a better trader, guys. So on Fridays, it's Friday, right? It's happy Fridays. It's a happy days. Actually, it's the end of the week, and I have a few points on the Friday. The first point is look to exit the market, guys. We all know that the market is gonna close on a Friday night, so it's important to close your trades, even if it's long-term trades. I don't like long-term trading, because the thing is, when the markets open on Monday, anything can happen, guys. Anything can happen, and the market can just jump. Okay, so it's important to look to exit the market and close your trades before the market close. And also manage your risk. This is for people who are long-term traders. If you're gonna keep your trade, you have to manage your risk so that when the markets open on the Monday, even if price goes against you, you won't blow your account. Okay, or you won't make that much loss. Okay, so managing your risk is very important in forex trading, guys. Because I'm gonna make a video on money management, actually, and how important it is in the forex market. And the other point is you have to evaluate your entire week. And this is where the trading journal comes in. It starts coming in when you start evaluating your entire week, because that's when you go to look at your trading journal and look at all your trades and evaluate them. How many losses do you have? How much wins do you have? Are your losses bigger than your wins, or are your wins bigger than your losses? So basically, did you and also figuring out whether you've reached your trading targets for a week or not. It's always important to evaluate, guys, because always decides where you're going in the market. It shows you where you're going in the market. Okay, and the final point is, well, second to final point is journal, guys. Check your journal. And also journal all your trades. If you've exited all your trades on a Friday, you have to journal all of them from Monday to Friday. Journal your trades, put them in your journal, and just evaluate yourself how you did for the week. Did you do good? Did you do bad? That will decide what you have to do in the next week, what you have to change. That will help you, guys. It will help you change a lot of things for the following week so that you can be successful if you are not. And if you were successful, then you don't need to change anything, guys. And finally, relaxing, guys. I mean, it is a Friday after all. Forex trading is not all about being on your charts 24/7 and you be done with your trades, for Friday. Then Saturday you can relax and just take a break, and basically that's how you're going to become an efficient trader, guys. So guys, if you have liked this video, please press the like button. Please comment. Tell me guys, tell me what videos I should post next, what topics, tell me what I can improve in the videos that I take out. Tell me anything guys, just interact with me, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also follow us on social media at Billionaires Cloud FX guys. Have a good trading journey. I'm out.